Welcome back. Recruitment process for line helpers at Electricity Department has finally stopped after intervention of election officials. On Monday, BJP had raised objections as these interviews were conducted in spite of Code of Conduct. Candidates who had to return on Tuesday without interviews said they feel cheated as they were called in spite of Code of Conduct. Some feel department might have selected certain candidates and these interviews are just an eyewash.
On Monday, Electricity Department took physical tests of candidates and had asked them to climb on electric poles. BJP had filed complaint with Chief Electoral Officer over these interviews. Now on Tuesday, these interviews were cancelled. A notice was also put up outside Electricity Department headquarters in Panji, informing about cancellation of interviews. But candidates who had come for these interviews were upset.
पण तरी जावन ते म्हणटा कॅन्सल जाल्ली नोटीस आमी लायल्या म्हणून कोर्ट ऑफ कंडक्ट लागता म्हणून तांकां कळ्ळा आनी तरी सुद्दां तेंच्यांनी कांय इंटरव्यू घेवपाक न्हू आमी म्हणटा कितें तेंच्यांनी थंय काल इंटरव्यू आपयल्या पळय तेंच्यात कोण सिलेक्टेड मनीस आसता ते इंटरव्यू घेतले सिलेक्टेड मनीस आपोवन इंटरव्यू घेतले आसतले आनी आयज आमकां तेंच्यांनी आपोवंक ना तो म्हणटा हें केलें म्हणटा आमी रिक्सार आपयलें म्हणटा तांकां म्हणटा पूण तुमी काल रिक्स तुमचे मनीस जाले म्हणून तुमी रिक्स घेतली ते आयज तुमकां आमच्या मनशाची गरज ना तुमी रिक्स घेवंक पळयना तुमकां जाय ते तुमी करता कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लागलो काय तुम्ही इंटरव्यू घेवंक शकना हो पयले रूल ठरलेला मागीर तेंच्यांनी घेतली काय इंटरव्यू कशी घेतली काय म्हणटा
Election Commission has asked several government departments to give report on any interviews they were taking these days. Commission has instructed them to stop the interviews. Chief Electoral Officer will submit its report to Election Commission of India.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Sushant Pard.
Issue of around 200 computer teachers teaching in archdiocesan and diocesan schools is still not resolved. They are still not appointed by society even after pursuing government's confirmation letters. Education Department claims that archdiocesan and diocesan society needs to take the final call, whereas church schools say that they will stick to their format of appointment.
Annoyed teachers met the Education Director Anil Pawar on Monday. They complained that even after pursuing government's confirmation letters, Archdiocesan and Diocesan Society have still not issued appointment letters to them.
Augustan order dili government for a particular concerned school, DSC and the APC. पण त्या स्कुलांनी आमकां आजपर्यंत अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दिवना जेन्ना पर्यंत आमकां ऑर्डर दिली त्या पर्यंत आमी वयता आमी अजूनय स्टील वी आर कंटिन्यू आमी वयता त्या स्कुलांनी पण आमकां पेमेंटाचें कांयच ना.
Education Director Anil Pawar claims that whatever Education Department had to do, they have already done it. He now says that it is up to Archdiocesan and Diocesan schools to take the final call.
कित्याक आमी तो ऑलरेडी कॅबिनेटा अंडर घेवन वन टायम मेजरमेंट केल्लो आसा डिपार्टमेंटान जायतो प्रोसिजरल थिंग्स केले आमगे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक इवन तांकां पेमेंट खातीर कॅबिनेटात सुद्दां आमी तयारी केल्ली आनी आतां इलेक्शन कोड डिक्लेअर जाल्लो आसा पूण आतां थोडे दिवस रावचे पडटले.
Secretary of Diocesan Society of Education, Father Zefrino D'Souza, is firm on society's decision. Society claims that it will stick to their format of appointment. They say they will appoint teachers only after following legal procedure.
Under Article 31, आमी select करपाक जाय, आमी appoint करपाक जाय. वो आमचो stand. This is stand remains always. We have not changed our stand. आमी computer teacherचे विरुद्ध ना. आमी against the procedure. सरकार अकस्मात computer टिचरींकूच रूल मोडून आमकां कित्याक फॉलो जावं म्हणटा आमच्यान फॉलो जावपाक जायना रुला प्रमाणे आमी ताका फाल्यांच आमी घेवपाक तयार आहा तांकां अशें सांगतात की सरकारान कॅबिनेट डिसिजन घेतलां म्हण आमकां अजून मेरेन कॉपी पर्यंत दिवंक ना आदी तुमकां सांगलां हांवेंच कॅबिनेटाच्यान एगेन्स्ट देयर ओन गव्हर्मेंट रुल्स डिसिजन घेवं येता दीस डिसिजन इज इलिगल अनलॉफूल अनफेअर.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Residents of Gaulibada Fatorda have demanded demolition of illegal structures that have cropped up in the open areas. They get out Chief Officer of Murgaon Municipality on Tuesday and questioned him as to why the said structures were not demolished on 13 December despite magisterial orders. CO says he did not have a police force. Angry residents have now given him an ultimatum of 8 days.
पयर डेमोलिशन ऑर्डर आशिल्ली 13 तारखेर कोणे तिचेर पांय दवरला तें खबर ना पूण ती ऑर्डर कॅन्सल जाली म्हणून आमी हांगा जर येवन विचारलें जाल्यार ते सांगता आमकां पोलीस फोर्स मेळना म्हणून पोलीस फोर्स आतां केन्ना मेळटलो तें विचारपा लागून आयले आनी तेजेर आतां आमी तांकां सांगलां आतां तुमी कितें करतले नाल्यार आमी फुडल्या विकान 8 दिसाचो टायम दिलो म्हणटा मार्चान जातले म्हणटा इतलो ते आनी रावपाक आमचे कडेन जायना नाल्यार आमी सांगलां आमी फुडली एक्शन कितें घेता कितें करतले तुमी आमी फुडली एक्शन म्हणल्यार आमी सगळे आतां थोडे जाण आयला आमी आख्खे फादोळच्या लोकांक घेवन तेन्ना मागीर तुमी कितें एक्शन घेता तें पळया.
Chief Officer of Madgaon Municipality explained as to why the demolition of illegal structures could not be executed. He says there is no political interference.
Order kadli for removal of some structures in an open space. पण तेच आमकां ती मॅजिस्ट्रेल अरेंजमेंट आनी पुलीस फोर्स मेळना ताका लागून आमी ते पोस्टपोन केली म्हणजे ते धाडपाक मेळना आनी त्या संदर्भात त्या लोक तांचे ग्रिव्हन्सीस घेवन आज हांगसर म्हजे कडेन आयिल्ले आसा काय नाशिल्लें आमकां जनरली कितें आसा जेन्ना डेमोलिशनाक वता पळय न्ही तेन्ना पुलीस फोर्स आनी मॅजिस्ट्रेल अरेंजमेंट हो इम्पॉर्टंट आसता.
तुमी धाडलेली
आमी कॉपी धाडिल्ली तांकां
पुलीस फोर्स बी ना
तशें कांय सांगलें ना ते आयले ना म्हणून आमी ती तेचो वत गेले ना आतां परत आतां फिक्स करचें पडलें न्ही आनी तांकां सांगचें पडटलें.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Student of Kendriya Vidhyalaya Anjana Kumari won consolation prize at the national level painting competition. She was representing Goa. This is the first time Goa has won a prize in this competition, which is being held since 2005.
Student of Kendriya Vidhyalaya Anjana Kumari bagged a consolation prize for the national level painting competition under National Campaign on Energy Conservation 2011. She represented Goa along with other 2 students from the state. They had to compete with around 105 students from all over the country. Here Anjana expresses her picture drawn at the national level.
घर के बीच में स्विच दिखाया था, वो स्विच वो बताता है कि हमें स्विच ऑफ करना चाहिए हमेशा जब भी कोई चीज़ यूज़ करते हैं उसके बाद और हमेशा हम लोग को सेव करना चाहिए एनर्जी.
Her father feels proud.
बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इसने कोई एक प्राइज़ लाया और ये जानकर और ज़्यादा खुशी हुई कि जो ये कंपटीशन 2005 से चालू हुआ है उसमें गोवा के लिए फर्स्ट प्राइज है. जिस लेवल का इन लोगों को एक ये प्लेटफॉर्म मिला वो इसके लिए बहुत मददगार है फ्यूचर के लिए, कारण कि ऐसा बहुत कम ही बच्चों को मिलता है. हर स्टेट से केवल फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी थी.
A reporter from Sada Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.